everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Today is Thursday, November 3rd. Decided to do just a quick Q&A video for you guys. Been on vacation, not really posted a whole lot. I posted a video yesterday, Auto Reaper Pro Reloaded, and just wanted to kind of put a little video for you guys just to let you know that I'm alive. People were worried that I hadn't posted it in almost a week. So no, everything's great. I'll talk a little bit about that here in a minute, but just wanted to kind of put a little quick video together for you all. So, I put this little agenda here on my PowerPoint, but I already forgot the very first thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. Well, there's a couple big things, but one of the big ones is I'm working on a collaboration with Apex Trader Funding. I reached out to them, and I'm working on getting a special discount code for you guys. So, they had a recent sale, 80% off. I don't know if you got a chance to take advantage of that. Hopefully you did. But if you didn't, there's going to be an opportunity. So I'm hoping next week. I don't have all the details yet, but I'll be getting back to them on Monday and then talking about what do we want to do for my subscribers. So it's going to be a code that's no one else will have. It's only for my channel, but anybody will be able to use it, of course. But other traders won't have that code that they can give to their subscribers. So this could be just unique for you guys. So I'm pretty excited about that. What am I covering today? So I'm going to talk about my trading. People have asked me, like, do you ever lose? Because you always see me post my winning trades, right? How my trading has evolved. And then trading and passive trading and my new purchase. So I did get a new bot. I hinted about that during my last video, and I'll be hopefully posting that for some trades for you next week, but I'll talk about that in a second. So let me jump into the first slide here. People wanted to know about my trades. They're like, oh, I think it's fake or whatever. It's like, I don't care. People are haters. I've talked about this in a previous video, so I won't talk about it too much. But hopefully you noticed in my last video that I shared the entire screen. So you saw everything, account number, everything, chart trader, bar size, everything was there. I put a website that gives the date and time, so you can see everything in sync. So there's like no video magic happening. It's just live trading. So I did that for you guys. There's always going to be people that don't believe, and that's okay. I'm not trying to convince anybody to do anything. That's just my channel, and I post what I want to post, and people can either watch or not, and people can make their own decisions. People ask me, do you ever lose? And of course I do. You can't control everything, right? Automation's not always 100%. NinjaTrader has issues. Rhythmic has issues at times. Internet connection. You have news events. You have the market. All those things put together. There's no way you could always be 100% all the time. That's just impossible. But what you do is you try to mitigate your risk, right? You try to minimize it. And how do I do it? This is how I do it. Not suggesting that you should go out and do that. But I trade multiple accounts. In this particular case, today, and you can see the time and date stamp here, I traded on 4 accounts, and I had a loser here with commissions was about $600, but then all the other ones were just over $1,200 on my other 3 accounts. So I did it all with the Ripper X. I hit a rough patch, but I was disciplined enough to say, hey, I'm going to stop, and this is as far as this account's going to go. But I'll hit it again tomorrow and bring that back into the green. That's the goal, and we'll see where it goes. But this is my outcome for today. Not suggesting you're going to get these results, not implying that you're going to do that, but this is my results today. I'm hoping I can match that tomorrow, but it could be less. But either way, this is how I do it. I trade multiple accounts, and sometimes I'll trade multiple instruments just to mitigate the risk. Talked about my trading evolution. Over the past year, my trading has evolved. Actually, more than a year and a half, really, if you think about it. When I really first got started, I started out with a single Ripper, instrument Ripper back, a year and a half ago, and then I moved to the Auto Ripper Pro, and so on. and you see me trade different automations. So I moved from trading small 25K accounts. I don't trade anything less than 100K now, and sometimes even more than that. Uh, my priorities have shifted. So I have a ever-growing family. Got 3 kids that we're close to adopting here. Uh, have a 4-month grandbaby that spends a lot of time with us. Um, have all these accounts. Have a NinjaTrader brokerage account. So it's kind of hard to manage it all. So I'm looking for something that can help fit my style of trading. So I'm looking to look something more passive that can, kind of fit my schedule a little bit better. So that's kind of where I'm looking to do. So I just have, I subscribe to the Trade YouTube channel, and they posted a video. And if you haven't seen it, I suggest you go do that. It's called the Ripper One. It's the latest release. I don't know too much about it. Okay, their website. I haven't even checked their website, so I don't even know what's up there, or if there's anything that talks about the Ripper One. So I ended up calling Danny, which I built a rapport with him for over the years, and I just asked him, hey, what's this bot about? What does it do? And he told me that it's one of their big releases that's coming out. He is, because I am a current customer for many bots that I bought from him. He gave me he's giving me a kind of like a he gave me a deal. It is $15,000. It is a significant investment, so I'm not suggesting that it's not. But the version that I got that's coming hasn't been delivered yet, but it trades. It's the 2 contract version, and it trades the CL, which is the crude oil, and the NQ, which is the Nasdaq 100. Right, so those two. So it'll give me flexibility to trade those 2 instruments. 2 contracts, I think, should be kind of in line with what I'm looking to generate on my accounts. It's supposed to be pickier, higher probability trades, more passive. And what I really like about it is the low drawdown. He tells me that it has a low drawdown feature. That's going to be great for Apex accounts. So for not only the accounts I trade, but if you guys are looking for something that works great with the drawdowns, because as you guys know, the trailing drawdown on Apex and other prop firms, it stinks. It's hard. So if you have something that can keep your drawdown low, I think that's a winner. So like I said, this is what I got. I'm excited about it, but I haven't played with it yet. So I'm kind of like in between, right? Like I'm anxious. I want to try it right now, but I can't. I don't. I'm hoping it gets delivered today or tomorrow. But I also heard talking to Danny again. Don't quote me on this. I don't know for sure, but he mentioned that they'll have a single contract Ripper One that will be about half the cost of the Auto Ripper Pro. So if you did the math, I think it'll be somewhere between 5,000 and 6,000, somewhere in there. So that could be also an opportunity to get in on automation. That's lower cost. That can help if you're looking at a prop firm. That could be a way to get in, and keep things. And if you have a brokerage account, which I plan to use it on, I'm looking forward to that. I think that could be a good solution for what I'm looking to do. And if it's something that you're interested, like I said, don't call Danny and tell him, hey, Guillermo said this. Don't say that because I don't know for sure. I've been a repeat customer for, like I said, a year and a half. So some of the deals that I get, you may or may not get. It just depends on your situation. So ask for a deal. It never hurts to ask, right? Say, hey, what can you do for me, and go for it go from there. But like I said, it's 15,000. It's still a significant investment for me and my family, but I'm looking to the future, and that's my decision to do it. I'm not suggesting that you go out and do that. Okay, do what's best for you and what works for you. Maybe a Ripper One with a single contract. That's all you need. Then you should look at that. But again, don't quote me on any of this because I haven't played with it yet. But I'm anxious. I can't wait. I'm kind of excited. I wasn't gonna do a video this week. I'm on vacation. Like I didn't want to do that, but here I am because I wanted to share the information with you all. So what am I going to do with it? First, I'm going to sim trade when I first get it. I always recommend that you do that, no matter what automation you get, or if you're trading manually or you're doing your own strategy, whatever. Always simulate, and then move into live trading when you're ready. Okay. The way I'm going to approach it is I'm going to go from sim. I'm going to put it on an Apex Challenge account, and all looks good there. Then I'm going to move it to my PA and or my Ninja Broker account. Um, I'm probably going to do both of them. I'll probably do the PA and the brokerage, and I'll just kind of trade those. But I don't know yet. I gotta put it through its tests. And then next week, I'm hoping I can do maybe 1 to 2 days where I'll record and post them on the channel for you all to see. So I kind of wanted to give you this heads up. So when you see the video next week, you already kind of know what's going on. I didn't want to just throw a new bot and be like, whoa, what's going on, Guillermo? I kind of wanted to give you the heads up of what I have in store. So anyway, I'm excited about it. I think it might kind of check that box that I've been looking for. The automation's been working great for me, but like I said, something that fits my lifestyle, my trading style, and what I'm looking to achieve. I think this might do it, but till I get it, I don't know for sure. But hopefully, you can watch my journey on my channel as I post trades. You see them live. Everything will be fully transparent on screen. There's no blurred out. I'm not going to blur out anything. You'll see everything. And then you can kind of check it out for yourselves. So I'm going to do this for you. And so you can check it out. And then you can let me know what you think of it. But that's pretty much going to be it for me. For me, that's it. I don't have really anything else to talk about. I'm going to get back, hang out with my family, and enjoying the last couple days of what I do have for vacation. But I'll be back on my channel next week, hopefully Monday or Tuesday, something like that. I can start trading live for you guys and go from there. So I know today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, but enjoy the weekend. Remember, guys, focus on what's important in your life, your family, your friends. Keep them close. That's what's important. That's what's important to me. So, and everything I do for them. So, I'm going to leave it there. So, have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.